Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening the wallpaper picker immediately. Make sure battery and storage are adequate so the process won't halt. Once done, go to Settings then Wallpaper, or simply long press any empty home screen to open the same picker. You choose whether to use a built-in wallpaper, a live wallpaper, or an image from gallery. This matters because live wallpapers use more battery, while gallery images let you crop and personalize precisely. You now select the image or wallpaper you want and tap to preview it. Pay attention to composition, because mobile crops can cut off important areas. Once selected, use the crop and reposition tools to fit the 16:9 or other aspect ratio, and pick whether to apply it to home, lock, or both screens. For live wallpapers, make sure to preview motion and check estimated battery impact. Choose a static image if conserving power matters. You finish by tapping Set or Apply and confirming whether this goes to the home screen, lock screen, or both. Once applied, check both screens to make sure icons, widgets, and the clock aren't obstructing key image areas. If they are, reopen the crop tool and adjust. If the wallpaper fails to change, reboot the phone first. If that doesn't help, clear the launcher or gallery app cache, then retry. This fixes most common permission or cache-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.